We wish you happy birthday. 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 Happy ever, present, wonderful. Let the good God bless you ever forever. May your joyful heart faith and love and hope. Let the good God give you life of happiness. We wish you happy birthday. 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 Let us join our hands and say happy birthday to you. Let us join our hands and say happy birthday to you. Let us join our hands and say happy birthday to you. Let us join our hands and say happy birthday to you.
मैं देख रहा हूँ उधर पीछे तरफ बैठे लोगों की संख्या कम होते जा रहे हैं, इसलिए छोटा सा एक दो बात कह के मैं मेरी इस भाषण को समाप्त करूंगा। हमारा सेमिनरी सेंट एलोयसियस यहाँ पर बहुत वर्षों से मैंने हमारा रजिस्टर पुराना है, करीब 28-30 वर्ष हुआ है। यहाँ से बहुत सारे लोग फादर निकले हैं। सबसे फर्स्ट स्टूडेंट हु बिकेम प्रीस्ट इज फादर दाई, और हु इज एबल टू रिकॉल दिस? Who father died? Father Marcus after. Father Marcus joined the class 7 after I became bishop. He was here. I think Rabbi, when they were staying in this 100 hours with Father Matthew and afterwards, who was the next one? George Chandra? No, he did not speak. Anyway, so many fathers have come out of this seminary. We are thankful to this seminary for the service they extend to the local church here. And the other one thing I would like to bring to the attention of especially the fathers is